What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're creating a cartoon illustration of Beetlejuice. Now we're going to begin today's lesson in the center page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. Starting from the very top, come all the way around toward the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So I'm going to start by lining up the top, coming all the way around toward the bottom, and then back up. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside of each eye. So on the left, we're going to draw a smaller circle, going around and then in. Just going to line that up on the right side. Now along the top of each pupil, we're going to draw a smaller circle for a highlight. And we're going to fill in the bottom of the pupils in black. Now we're just going to lay the eyebrows on top of each eye. So on the left side, we're going to step in, bend this up and then out, and then line it up on the right side. Now it's going to round out the brow, come all the way around towards the bottom, and just pull that up on the inside of the eyes. Let's go back to the inside of the eyebrows. Angle this up and in with a straight angled line. I'm just going to taper the eyebrow so it gets narrower as you come around the side. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Let's line up with the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center, draw a curve, coming down and up for the nose. Step up and draw a shorter curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Now we're going to move down. Underneath the left eye, curve the mouth, coming down and then back up. Let's go back to the left side, curve the bottom of the mouth, coming down, across, and then up. Now I want to round up the top row of teeth, starting in the middle, come down and up towards the left, go back to the center, come down and up on the right. Now we're going to continue to add these curves going out towards the side of the mouth. Now I'm just going to fill the inside of the mouth across the bottom, going around the teeth. Now I want to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. So from the left eye, I'm going to step out, curve this down, come across just underneath the mouth, and then bend that back up on the right. Now I want to give our character a large forehead. So starting back on the left, we're going to go up, round out the head, and then come back down on the right side. Let's add some scars across the face. We're going to start from the bottom of the mouth on the right, add this curve coming around, and just work our way up towards the top. Let's add one on the left cheek, starting from the top and working our way down. Let's add one more across the top left side of the forehead. Now on the side of the head, we're going to add in the ears. Let's start on the left. Start with a straight angled line going up and out. Curve the ear, coming around and back in. Now on the inside, we're going to add a hook. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the top and draw on the hair. We're going to start right in the middle, step up, start with the right side, going up and out, bend it back down and in. It's curving the opposite direction, going up, going around, then in. I'm just going to work our way around the side of the head. You can see that we're just alternating direction of the hair, coming in, coming down underneath the ear, and we'll add one more point, coming down and then up. Let's go back up and draw on the left side. We start with another curve coming up, coming down, going the opposite direction, and back in. Now again, we're just working our way around the head, adding these little points. Let's go around the ear. Just going to close this off with one more point. Now in the center, just underneath the head, we're going to draw in the bow tie. Start with a circle. From the bottom, angle this down and out on either side. Round out the bow and pull that up underneath the head. Now from the bow, we're going to step out. It's going to curve the body, going out and then down towards the hips. Bend this down and in with a short curve. And we're going to pull that straight up underneath the bow tie. Now from the side, angle this down and then in towards the middle. Come down with a short line. Come down and then up along the bottom of the vest. Let's add 3 buttons. One on the top left, one on the right, and then one more on the bottom left. Now just underneath the vest, we're going to add a curve coming down and up. Step down in the middle, add a curve going up and then down. I'm going to leave a small gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out and then down towards the left heel, move over towards the right and come down towards the same height. Now you want to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side, going down and up. Go back to the side when we round out the foot, going up and then down, aiming towards the heel, and just curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. Let's go back up underneath the jacket. We're going to bend the leg going out and then down on top of the feet. And then just inside this area, add a small curve across the edge of the pant. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up and trace that across on both sides. And then we're going to move back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start halfway between the chin and the bottom of the jacket. So right here, just going to bend the arm going out and down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now I want to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb, coming down and up around that bracket. Go to the side, bend the second finger coming around, and then the third finger is going to bend this up and then in underneath the head. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Let's add that ruffled cuff across the wrist. Starting from the thumb, it's going to weigh this all the way across towards the outside. And we'll step up and add one more curve for the sleeve. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Beetlejuice. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.